Welcome to Show Home Furniture, everyone!
Hey guys, it's Lisa Shea, and today we're going to take you on a quick tour of our 70,000 square foot showroom. We're super excited.
So this is our top selling bed. We sell hundreds of these beds. It's made in Canada. It has a beautiful footboard that goes all the way down to the ground, and it's available in over 200 different colors. It also comes in 2 different sizes. Come on down and pick out your fabric. Oh my gosh.
I just woke up from the best sleep ever. These mattresses are so comfy.
We are now in Show Home Sleep Department. We have over 25 mattresses on display. We carry the Property Brothers mattresses that are made in Canada. We're the first ones in Calgary to carry them. We also have Tempur-Pedic mattress, Serta, Sealy, and King Coil, Restonic. These are Canadian-made mattresses. We love selling Canadian-made products. Anyways, come on down. Also, all our mattresses are 40 to 50% off. So best prices in Calgary, so come check us out.
Okay guys, we're back at the Cloud 9 sectional. This is one of our top favorite sectionals in the whole entire store. Okay guys, we hope you've enjoyed our tour of Show Home Furniture, 70,000 square feet, so there's a lot to see.
And the best thing is almost every single day we have new pieces arriving, daily pieces arriving. It's awesome. Come on down, North Hill Center. We are open Monday through Saturday, and thank you so much for watching this video.